Yo, what's going on, guys? Max here, and today I'm out here in the Bay Area with my dad and my brothers Andrew and Alan. We're out here fishing for crabs. See you in a bit. So I got the crab snares setting up right here. Alan already put in the crab trap. He got one already. It's 4 inches for rock crab. Okay, boom, right there. Dude, this thing is 6 1/4, bro. Damn. There you go. All right, in the bag.
Oh yeah, I got one.
You got one? Ah. Oh, dude, look at that. You did get one.
23 to go.
Oh, dude, that's a nice one too. Good stuff, Alan. Heck yeah, we're gonna measure it. Yeah, okay. There we go. That's the one that Alan just got. Check and see. Blowout there. This one is pretty much 5 3/4. Another fish, Andrew. Hell yeah, bro. Look at that. Good stuff, Andrew.
This is fun, bro. I can't even tell.
I'm just gonna fish
Okay.
over there.
All right, sounds good, brother.
Oh, it fell off.
Oh, it fell off. I saw that.
Yeah, you did?
Yeah, I saw the fish came off.
Nah, come on.
Okay, and all right. Come on, Andrew. Before I get snagged in the rocks, my brother. Oh, they got one over here too. One crab. Oh, Andrew, that's a nice one. Whoa. All right, man. That's like a 12-incher. Hell yeah. Look at that. We're gonna change locations, guys.
What's up, man? Do I know you guys?
What's up, bro? Good morning. How'd you do?
So far, nothing yet.
Yeah, that's pretty big, bro. That's nice. Oh yeah, look at that.
Let go.
Dude, it's hand size right here. Yeah, look at that. Nice, nice. Yeah. Nè có bỏ lọ, anh lọ. Anh lọ. This one's big, bro. There we go, bro. Yeah, see? Nice one right there. Oh, it's so light, Alan. There's nothing in here. Oh, wait. Oh, never mind. I was like, nothing in here. Whoa, bro. 2 of them are keepers. Bro, both of them are. Oh, dude, that's big right there, guys. Man, look at the claws on this one, guys. Yeah, they got one right there. There you go. Yeah. I'm not gonna measure.
I know y'all.
I got flour. Yeah, but I just want to be sure. That thing we don't need to measure. That thing's huge. But that one, what is he? She actually. Oh, 5. Yeah. This one's huge. This one's
Next. He's next now. Oh, look at
dude. He's a 6.
Oh, look at this red one. Oh, yummy.
Yo, that's a good one right there, man. Oh, dude, you got big one right there. Oh, nice. Oh, that's a nice one, bro.
Is that 2?
No, it's just one, but it's a one huge one. Yeah, they're close by, bro.
There's 2.
There are 2?
There's a baby.
Oh, there's 2. Okay, let that one go. Oh, yeah. Oh, there you go, Alan. I was right. It was a fish. I knew it. I was getting some bites earlier. There you go. Oh, I got another one, Al. I got another one. All right. There we go, guys. Another little one. We'll let this one go right there. Oh, I got another one. I got another one. Yeah. What the heck? Okay. No, I ain't lost out. All right, we'll let this one go too. We'll let this one go right here. Okay. Just drop into these holes right here. Oh, oh, I got another one. Yo, how many fish are in this hole? A good old fish. My bad. Oh, oh, you see that, bro? You see that, Andrew? Oh, this one's a nice color, bro. This one's all stripy. Look at that. On a jig head. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful fish, guys. Oh yeah, there we go. Another fish. Teaching Andrew how to fish. There we go. That one right there. Hi, Chick. Okay, I just drop in there. Oh, I'm getting bites right here already, guys. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, there we go. Another one. Another one. Another one. Just trying to have fun, bro. I usually don't do this type of fishing, so. Look at the fish, guys. Look at that one. Tiny, little cute one. All right. Andrew. Oh, right there, Andrew. Right there. I cracked it here, huh? It fell off. All right. Andrew. Oh, right there, Andrew. Right there. Oh, right there, right there. No. Oh, no. Okay, to. Oh, yo. Đừng có stop hết. Oh, yo. Giờ có từ khớp lót à. Okay. Chua. To. Oh, bro. Oh, see, look, there I got one. There we go. Damn, look at that. Oh, that's a big one. Wow. Crappie jig. Crappie jig. Damn, I don't know. Oh. Alan just got a nice one right here. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, my dad caught another smelt. Man, these are some big smelts, guys. It came up right there, guys. Andrew, stop trying to take my fish, Andrew. Oh, Andrew got a fish on. Oh, nice, Andrew. Andrew finally got one, Andrew. All right, Andrew. Good stuff, bro. He swam off strongly. Yeah, it's over here, Andrew. Oh, look at that, guys. Bam. There we go. All right, guys, and that's gonna be it for today's video. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one, all right?